What a great day for a road trip. Hey, what?
Let's do this.
The Ronald's ready. We start here. Who do you want to be on your...
So we...
Onward and trail. Time to start our road trip.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
Nature Cat. Onward and trailward. You successfully follow nature trail signs and find a hidden lake. You earn 5.
Earn 100 points or more to win photos at the trip.
Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
You made it to Old Faithful, just in time to see it erupt. You earned 10. Let's do this. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. There are more geysers in Yellowstone than anywhere else on Earth. You only have a short time to tap on as many of them as you can. The more you tap, the more nature energy you earn. Earn enough nature energy and win a park souvenir. At the heart of Yellowstone National Park is a very large active volcano. Its heat fuels the park's geysers and hot springs. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near. It's my turn. Onward and trailward. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
Onward and spinward. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
I wonder what I'll find over here. Cheese sale. If you're me, Squeaks, you stop to eat all the cheese and go back to your previous spot.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho. There's so much nature to see. You made it to Old Faithful, just in time to see it erupt. You earned 10. Daisy.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
Let's do this. Onward and trailward. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I just love these wild places.
Nature Cat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Welcome to the Great Salt Lake. This salty body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
The Great Salt Lake is one of the saltiest in the world. Much saltier than the ocean. The Great Salt Lake is a closed lake. That means water flows in, but not out.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir. Near. You earn 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Squeaks, you get 10 more. Onward and spinward. Onward and trailward. Daisy.
I just love these wild places. Oh yeah, you found a cicada exoskeleton. You earned 25.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I wonder what I'll find over here. Codger McDowell wants to help you float across the Great Salt Lake, but you forgot your swimsuit. Rats, you lose 25. If you're me, Squeaks, or my friend Daisy, you lose another 10.
Let's do this. nature to see. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Nature Cat. Onward and trailward.
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally
I
ho.
just love these wild places.
Aunt Reva's Nature Art Show. You lose 15. Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here. You build a wild bee motel to help Petunia attract bees. You earn 10.
Onward and spinward. There's so much nature to see.
Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Oh yeah, it's Daisy's
Man, oh
turn.
man, this is sweet.
Al needs a bath. Spin again. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I just love these wild places. Could it be? Yes, yes. You found a piece of amber at the beach. Gorgeous. You earned 25.
Let's do this. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
It's the strongest show on earth. Spin again.
Time to hit the trail, Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Pele's tears are beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops?
Kilauea is known as a shield volcano with a broad cone-like shape and a gentle slope. It is the youngest volcano on the island of Hawaii. A volcanologist is a scientist who studies volcanoes. They try to understand and predict volcanic eruptions and how volcanoes shape the land around them.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir. Near.